In Bali, and we are so excited. We actually have been planning this trip for over a year now, and we had 2 trips scheduled, but the first time got canceled because I caught COVID, and the second time got canceled because Justin threw away our passports. It's fine. We finally made it here, and we could not be more excited. We have a really great itinerary planned. The first half of the week, we're going to be staying in Canggu. And then the second half of the week, we're going to be staying in Seminyak. And then we have a few day trips and excursions planned. It's going to be great. Can't wait to bring you guys along. Let's do it.
You come earlier than other people. Because you know, in 1 hour, this place will be full of cars.
Really?
Yeah, this place will be full of people.
Oh, there's more. Oh my goodness. So today we left Canggu and then we got on a boat and we came to...
My name is Gadein from Nusa Penida. Now we are in Nusa Penida and behind us is Killington Beach.
And it is so pretty. I don't even know if the pictures are going to do it justice, but the video is going to be insane, and we'll insert some clips here.
Down there. Wow, it's cool, so good.
at a beach waiting to go to our next location, which we are going to be snorkeling, hopefully with some manta rays. We just left Killington, which is the famous Instagram location point that you just saw the amazing footage of. Highly recommend going. It's one of those places that might be more beautiful in person than it is on Instagram, but the trick is to get there early because it got super busy really quick, but definitely put it on your bucket list to do. So we just got done snorkeling, and unfortunately we didn't see any manta rays, but we still saw some really beautiful spots. I highly recommend the snorkeling part, but you might want to be a strong swimmer. The tides were pretty rough, even for us, and I consider Justin a really good diver, and it was pretty challenging. However, highly recommend because beautiful sights, beautiful boat ride, overall great day, exhausted, but ready to get some good food and head home.
Bisa gua, tapi nggak bisa cuman keluar, nggak harus diciumin dulu.
Clove?
Like the spice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe in your country you use this for cooking or make some drink like a
Yeah,
tea.
the tea.
But here in Indonesia, our country use that mixed with tobacco for cigarette.
Oh. So we just got done hiking back up from the waterfall. It's quite a big hike back up, so out of breath, but definitely worth it. However, if you want the name of this waterfall, message me directly because this is kind of like a hidden waterfall. We only saw one other person while we were here, and I don't want to give it away and then it become like this big tourist thing and not worth it. Keep it a secret. If you want to come, message me. I promise it's worth it. It's currently 3:15 a.m. We're about to go hike a volcano in training. So at the halfway point, it took us about an hour to get to this spot. First part wasn't too bad, but apparently the second half's a lot harder and a lot steeper, so wish us luck. Let's do it. We made it to the top. Thoughts?
It's cold.
It is. It's really chilly, but the only reason it's really as cold as it is because it rained on our hike up here, so we're wet. And then it's normally cold anyway, so now it's double cold. But we made it. We're about to eat some breakfast. I think they make some eggs in the volcano hotness.
Lava.
Yeah, that. Yep. I just broke the egg everywhere. Egg.
Kopi. The first 5 minutes, we were approached to buy a blanket and food and coffee. We said no. Within 10 minutes, we have a coffee and blanket.
We caved.
We caved.
Tonight is our last night in Bali, and after an amazing week full of adventure, we're just going to have a nice relaxing dinner on the beach at Kudata. Last night we went to Motel Mexicola and La Favela, which were both recommended by our friends Rachel and Magnus, so shout out to you guys for the insane recommendations as always. Next month we will be celebrating their wedding in Barcelona, so be sure to subscribe to follow all of our exciting upcoming adventures. I'm going to be writing a blog post about all of our favorite restaurants here in Bali, what we recommend, what coffee, food, all of the things you want to know before you go on vacation, because food's always important on vacation. And that will be in the description below, so be sure to check that out as well. We really hope you enjoyed this vlog. We had an amazing vacation. Super sad it's over, but we made some incredible memories, and I can't wait to bring you guys along to all of our really exciting upcoming adventures. So be sure to like, subscribe, comment your favorite part down below, and we will see you next one. Bye guys.